Lectures can transfer information, but only great questions build critical thinking and lasting confidence. Socratic questioning is a powerful tool. It helps students move past surface knowledge and wrestle with complex ideas. When you ask the right questions, you guide your adult learners toward deeper understanding and empower them to think for themselves. High-impact teaching using Socratic questioning to build confidence and critical thinking. 1. Ask for clarification. When a student makes a statement, ask a simple question like, "Can you elaborate on that?" or "What exactly do you mean when you say?" This encourages them to define their terms and think more precisely about their own words. 2. Challenge assumptions. Help students uncover the hidden beliefs that drive their conclusions. Ask, "Why do you assume that is always true?" or "What would happen if we assumed the exact opposite?" This practice teaches them to examine their foundational knowledge. 3. Seek evidence and reasons. Always ask students to back up their claims with facts or experience. Encourage them with questions like, "What information supports that point?" or "Can you provide a real-world example?" This develops their reliance on credible evidence. 4. Explore different perspectives. Push students to look at a problem from multiple viewpoints. Ask, "How might a manager view this situation differently than an employee?" or "What are the pros and cons of that approach?" This practice fosters empathy and broadens understanding. 5. Ask for implications and consequences. Make students consider the long-term effects of their ideas. Ask, "If we implement that solution, what might be the result 6 months from now?" or "What is the broader impact of this concept?" This encourages foresight and strategic thinking. 6. Relate concepts to the main goal. After a deep dive, bring the discussion back to the lesson objective. Ask, "How does this discussion help us solve the main problem?" or "What new step can we add to our plan now?" This ensures the conversation remains focused and purposeful. 7. Encourage peer questioning. Do not let all the questions come from you. After a student answers, turn to the class and ask, "Does anyone have a question for student's name about that idea?" This shares the instructional responsibility and builds a collaborative learning community. Socratic questioning shifts the focus from the teacher to the learner. You build confidence and deeper understanding by asking students to clarify their terms, challenge their own assumptions, and support their claims with evidence. This approach empowers them to become independent, critical thinkers.
Share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. Also, does your curriculum director, instructional specialist, or lead teacher know they can request samples and review CBL Math, Reading, or ESL textbooks by contacting us today? The CBL team. Your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.